Question number 1. A dash is an artificial intelligence software that can simulate a conversation or a chat with a user in natural language through messaging applications, websites, mobile apps, or through the telephone. Nice work. You chose chatbot, and it is correct.
Question number 2. A company wants to understand how its brand is perceived on social media platforms. Which feature of the language EPI would you use to quantitatively measure how positive or negative user-generated content is? Select the correct option. Valid point. Sentiment analysis is true.
Question number 3. In linguistic morphology, dash is the process of reducing inflection in words to their root forms, such as mapping a group of words to the same stem, even if the stem itself is not a valid word in the language. Clear logic. Your choice, stemming, is sound and 100% true.
Question number 4. Which of the following is a part of the process of building a machine learning classifier for sentiment analysis?
Solid response. All of the above is a valid choice.
Question number 5. When you ask Siri or Alexa, it replies in human language. This is an example of dash domain.
Smart move. Natural language generation is an accurate answer. Question number 6. NELP is concerned with the interactions between computers and human languages. Correct. True is the right answer.
Question number 7. 12. Natural language processing is associated with which of the following areas?
Exactly. All of the above makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 8. Which area is a sen for text recognition seen in our area map?
Great job. Deep natural language processing is the accurate answer. Question number 9. What is the primary method used by computers to generate natural language text? Right again. Semantic information is a valid answer. Question number 10. What is the process of extracting emotions within a text data using NELP called? On track. Sentiment analysis is the correct answer. Question number 11. What is the interdisciplinary field combining computer science and linguistics? Smart pick. Natural language processing is the correct choice.
Question number 12. The ability of a computer to interact and understand different human languages.
You're right. Natural language processing is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which of the following is not an application of natural language processing? Well reasoned. Fruit classification system is the correct choice.
Question number 14. What is the primary benefit of natural language processing in e-commerce?
Sharp thinking. Helping customers book tickets, track orders, and recommend products is the right choice. Question number 15. What can recruiters and HR personnel use natural language processing for? Nicely done. Sifting through hundreds of resumes is a solid answer.
Question number 16. Process to communicate with computer by speaking to it is called dash.
Well done. Speech recognition is the right choice. Question number 17. What is a corpus in the context of natural language processing? Right choice. A collection of text is the best answer. Question number 18. Which of the following is a key characteristic of natural language? Strong choice. Rich vocabulary is the right answer.
Question number 19. What is sentimental analysis in natural language processing about? Excellent choice. Identify and extract the meaning behind a sentence is the right answer. Question number 20. Natural language processing is divided into the two subfields of great thinking, understanding, and generation is the right choice.
Question number 21. What is the primary purpose of using NELP in virtual assistants?
Bravo. To help computers understand and work with human language is the answer. Question number 22. What is the main purpose of natural language processing? Good thinking. To help computers understand and work with human language is the right answer. Question number 23. What can natural language processing bring to data analysis? Nice selection. Objectivity and more accurate results is the correct and valid answer. Question number 24. The ability of a computer to understand images and videos. Well picked. Computer vision is the correct answer. Question number 25. What is natural language processing all about? You chose making computers understand and generate human language. And it is correct. Question number 26. 5 natural language processing is the field of. Good job. Your answer, all of the above, works well here. Question number 27. What is the main objective of NELP in chatbots? Excellent. To help computers understand and work with human language is a brilliant choice.
Question number 28. Translation is an example of dash.
You got it. Your choice, natural language processing, is right.
Question number 29. What does NELP stand for in A?
Perfect. Natural language processing is the correct choice.
Question number 30. What is the full form for NELP?
Correct response. Natural language processing is the most accurate answer. Question number 31. What is NELP tool in Python? Well done. Natural Language Toolkit is the right choice. Question number 32. Voice to text dash. Great job. Natural language processing is the accurate answer.
Question number 33. NULU stands for.
You're right. Natural language understanding is the correct answer. Question number 34. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Bravo. Contact Narayan Changder is the answer.